Now, if all you want from the market is zero stress, that is, you want to look at the charts, know exactly when to zoom into the trade, hold for a few minutes, cash out from the market and hit on the withdraw button, and you are watching the right video, because that's exactly what I'm about to show you right here now. First, I will show you exactly how it works on the charts now. Secondly, we'll be going into live trades now using exact same strategy. If you're new to this channel, just remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos I'll be dropping out from this place. So that not to waste so much time, let's dive in now. Alright, okay guys, now this is exactly what we're using. Now we'll just be using our XAUSD, also known as our gold. Now what I just need to check out from the market is to just look for any zone at all that I'm having a consolidation. Remember, we just want to go into the trade with at least zero retracement, cash out from the market, that's hit all our take profit. After that, we hit on the withdraw button and we're done. We don't want any beating around the bush with retracement. So the very first thing I want to look for now is actually the retracement that, or the consolidation that is happening around this region. Now all I just want to do now, because the chart on gold is already going up, I don't need to check on higher time frame to know that gold has been going up. It's been going up. It's something that is very known, right? Gold has been pushing up. So all I just want to look for now are buys only, because gold is actually on an uptrend. Now if you are trading EURUSD, you check the trend. Also if you are trading NASDAQ, you check the trend. No matter what you're trading synthetic indices, you just check the trade. Wherever the trend is heading towards, that's what you want to trade. So on in this my case now, I can see that there's a consolidation happening here. Now what happened was this chart actually dropped down crazy like this. You can easily see that, right? Drop down through to this level. So that all I'm waiting for now is for this chart to push back towards the top. But then in going towards the top, there's one thing I need to note, and that's all. I just need to look at the previous zone that occurred before, which was this. You can easily see this was the minimum zone that occurred before, that this dropped down the lowest, right? You can easily see that, right? This dropped down to the lowest, right? Very, very visible. So all I just want to do is this. I just want to simply map out that range that actually dropped crazy like that. Now when this candlestick is pushing back up, I just want it to push above it, above this my line here that I'm having here, my horizontal, and I want it to close above it. Now after closing above it, boom, I can easily stomp into this trade, and then I can just place my stop loss just a few pips below where my entry zone, just around this region. And then I will just be targeting my maximum zone at about this region also. This spot as my maximum zone, so that my first take profit will be around the spot, my second take profit just around the spot, and then this will be my third take profit. But before we stomp into live trades now, just like I told you, let's look at a different example. Now we can see similar stuff, a consolidation happening here. Now I want to look for the maximum range and where this consolidation actually started from. Now this consolidation started from around the spot, just at about this spot, right? Now so what I want to do is this. I want to map out that region again. Let me just quickly map that out very quickly. And now after mapping it out, this is exactly what I'm having. Now the chart dropped below it. You can see that it dropped below it. Now the maximum region is this, where I'm already having my horizontal. So all I'm waiting for is for this chart to push above it and also close above it. Remember guys, all of these charts that we're looking at everything on a 5 minutes time frame, because we just want to go into the trade, hit all our take profits and zoom off the trade as fast as possible. We don't want to hold this trade for several hours. Now immediately as this stock pushes above this range, closes above it, I just want to go into my trade and place my stop loss just a few pips below again, just like we did on the first. And then my highest zone was around the spot, right? At least this is my closest highest zone around the spot. So I want to place in my first take profit, my second, and then this can be my third take profit, smoothly just like that. Now all we just did, let's actually try doing it now on live trade. All right, okay guys, so this is exactly what we're having currently. Now you can easily see that our chart is actually just playing around this region, and then we are still trading on our gold. Remember, 5 minutes time frame, and now we're using just a capital of about $200. Now on this particular trade, it has already dropped in a private channel. It has already dropped there, and the traders are already moving, right? But then in setting up to start this video, and also we just stopped into the trade just a few minutes ago, but then we'll be going to the trade together now to join those in the private channel also. And of course, immediately as the trade hit a first take profit, to also be shared in a free channel so that every single person can actually join the trade. Now what can we see here? Now we can see that this particular trade was was playing around this region, and now this becomes my lowest zone, right? No, it's not my lowest zone. Now the reason is actually because we're having this formation happening around the spot, and then a breakout occurred around the spot, meaning that this entire zone is done. That's gone again, like it's completely gone. Now we are left with just this now, right? If I map out to this zone now, this is exactly what we'll be having, right? Just something like this, so that it hit the spot, after which it pushed up, dropped back down again towards the zone, played around before it dropped back towards around the spot, right? And so all we are just waiting for now is for it to push above this a level of support, which is now resistance, just around the spot here. Now immediately after pushing, I can easily stop into the trade, and then this becomes my stop loss. But we're kind of like late into this trade, because those in the private channel, they're already trying to scalp from this trade already. It's already going very smooth because everyone is already in massive profits. But then what we can do now is to also zoom into the trade. Okay, so I will just be using about just 0.1 lot sizes, and I'm using about 6 trades there. That's what I'm having, even though on a standard account, which is already running within the private channel also. Now I think we're using about 0.5 lot sizes on multiple positions, smoothly like that. But then because this account is just $200, we don't want to risk a lot. The reason why we're using a minor capital like this is so that it's actually easier for every single person to understand. And of course, a stop loss level, we should have used maybe just below, kind of like around the spot, but because the chart already moved, there's no point placing a stop loss here. That will actually be too massive. So guys, all we just need to do now is to just wait and see how this particular trade actually goes. All right, okay guys, so this is exactly what we're having currently. So we're just running just over $700, just almost $800. That's what we're running currently around the spot. Our capital is still $200. So guys, it's actually just waiting and hit a first, second, and third take profit, and it's actually just still moving very, very smoothly. And then those, of course, this trade was shared to those also in the free channel, so that every single person can actually cash out. Even though we're having a lot of bearish momentum also happening in between, meaning that this trade might not be very, very long, right? It might not be very long, because you can already see this also, right? So we're kind of like having the bearish candlestick getting created again. So it's been threatening us and threatening us and threatening us again around the spot. So because our capital is actually extremely low, we might just have to leave this trade now. We're having just about $900 currently, right? So we're able to pick just roughly $700 from the market smoothly, just like that. Because our capital is actually very, very minor, so we're using about $200. So those with higher capitals, and then on a standard account, we are still in the trade on a standard account. A standard account is actually running some significant amount of profit currently, but then this just to show you exactly how the scalping strategy actually works. Okay guys, so just remember the registration for our mentorship course 100 is running currently as we speak, where I'll be teaching live 101 through Zoom, and then we have just 100 slots available for just 100 traders. That registration will also grant you access to my private live trading sessions. It will also grant you access to a 12-month subscription to our private channel. It will also grant you access to the best trading robots and best trading indicator on our website. If you want to register, you can simply just scan the QR code there, or you can check it in the description box. The link to register is actually down there also. Lastly, immediately as this video hits over 1,000 likes, I'll be coming back to this very video, running through the comment section, and I'll be selecting 3 random traders that will be funding $3,000 each, just like that. So that if you're new to this channel, just remember to hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and also remember to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos I'll be dropping out from this place. So bye from guys, I'm Mr. P. Peace.